Advait was telling me that he went to a theatre with there was a crowd of 600 people and they were whistling at when I sing Nachdi Phina and all sort of scenes, which is very overwhelming.
That was very surprising for me because I don't know, I thought people will get emotional and cry, but they were like probably clapping because of the
getting associated with the character.
Yeah,
in a way.
exactly. The writing is very beautiful and very logical, and he's touched all those issues of woman empowerment and girl, child and everything. Hi, this is Mehervij.
Hi, I'm Zaira Wasim.
And you're watching
Bollywood Hangout.
Yeah.
Well, we have with us Mehervij and Zaira Wasim. Their movie Secret Superstar is winning hearts all across the world, not merely in India. And we just talk about the entire mother-daughter combo that they have created, which is being talked about, and people are loving it like anything. Pleasure having you back, first of all, on Bollywood Hungama. To you, and welcome to you, first of all.
Thank you.
And what is your first reaction that suddenly everyone is taking a lot of keen interest in Mehervij? That you've been around for some time, but everyone seems to have noticed you like in a big way.
Yes, yeah. The first reaction is on the day of screening, I was very anxious, very scared, nervous, because this is a uncertain kind of feeling that you have. What will happen when the film releases? Will you be accepted properly, or will you fail miserably? So probably that anxiety was there, but now I've kind of settled mentally, and I'm just feeling grateful and enjoying it now to the fullest.
Okay, and what about you, Zaira Wasim? Like your
Will we say
mentor.
sail on the same
No,
boat?
let me complete. I'm sorry to say, but your mentor, Mr. Aamir Khan, says that she's the best actress in the industry right now, and I'm sure that you must be inviting a lot of envy all around.
It's 100. I don't think I would ever be able to register in that compliment. It's unreal, and I'm really glad. I'm very overwhelmed about it, but I don't think I can even act.
Just you don't know how to respond because you're just feeling really happy and
I don't
great.
know how to respond.
Yeah,
I don't know what to say. I can only say thank you.
Exactly.
Right. Okay, and have you guys seen the film in a theatre?
I have seen it.
30,000 times. Okay, so because when I personally saw the movie in a press show, and when I saw it after that with my family in a cinema also, in the cinema hall, I realized that people are actually whistling and clapping, which is quite strange in a way, because you don't expect those situations to get whistles in a cinema hall. So what was your reaction? Had you ever envisaged that these are like whistle-worthy moments by any chance?
We never thought that. Other day, Advait was telling me that he went to a theatre with there was a crowd of 600 people and they were whistling at when I sing Nachdi Phina and all sort of scenes, which is very overwhelming.
Yeah.
And Advait was like, I was so excited to see so many people at once, in the film, how he says, "Ammi, मैंने तो इतने लोग कभी सामने." तो Advait was like कि मेरा भी ऐसा ही हो रहा था. But it's very good, and it's great that people relate to it. People connect to the character and the film the way we did.
Yeah.
So it's great.
Yeah, it's great because in the last scene also it was very surprising. People were clapping on the last scene, the airport scene.
Yeah,
but
I
that was
coming to
like
that. That you get like a, I think, superstar response actually from people. People are literally whistling. I've experienced that.
Yeah, so that what the people clapped on the last scene, and that was very surprising for me because I don't know. I thought people will get emotional and cry, but they were like probably clapping because of the
getting associated with the character.
Yeah,
in a way.
exactly.
Because they were happy for her.
Yeah, happy for everyone.
Right. And there are all sorts of messages that have been posted on Facebook, and people are just getting very groovy about their mothers somehow, and that she is the superstar in our life. And it's basically like you can't separate the mother and the daughter, and maybe mother and children generally.
Yeah.
So it's not like आप लोग एक हो गए हैं, मतलब दो जान एक जिसको कहते हैं कि that दोनों का हो जाना. That in itself, I think, would you say it's the beauty of the script, the way it is written?
Yeah, absolutely. The writing is very beautiful and very logical, and he's touched all those issues of woman empowerment and girl, child and everything, and he's touched it and not hurt anybody. The intention, very subtle way, very sensibly. He's also told people in a way, social message, that you should support the girl child and do not suppress their wishes and not even hurt anybody. That's the beauty of his writing, That has done a fantabulous job there.
Right.
And I think mother की जगह भी होता है ना कि माँ की जगह एक बेटी को पता दे कोई नहीं ले सकता.
Absolutely.
है ना, तो I think that kind of was the relating point, for many daughters and for many mothers, how what she is going to, a mother will not be able to take it, when it comes to their child. you know, they will take a stand. Not probably for themselves, but they'll take it for their daughter.
Right. And I think the best part is that everything is so interlinked.
Yeah.
That if you are watching it like keenly, you can relate to a lot of relate in the sense that from the character's perspective, that the girl is watching her mother, she is being submissive in front of her father, who's
Yeah.
like a Gabbar Singh.
Yeah.
And and because of that, the little girl, she is aggressive when she is going out in life. Like if she wants a window seat, she wants it.
Yeah.
So somewhere that is stemming from the fact that she has seen her mother and
Suffering.
she gets subdued,
Yeah.
and she does not want to do that.
Yeah.
Do you
yeah.
feel that
Yeah,
it's a very
in a very
organic
subtle way it comes
Ji, ji,
out.
ji.
And a lot of other scenes also, you know, there is the saddest part of the film is, you know, when the father finds out that she sold the necklace.
Ah.
And the father holds her arm and she doesn't say anything.
Chilling,
She gives it. She's
that's
like, ये तो daily चीज है. अब तो मार खानी है. That's so
Yeah.
sad
That is very chilling.
in a very subtle manner, not in a subtle manner, but in a very this kind of way where there are no words, there's just expressions.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah,
Right.
because if you ask me personally, I would never be able to take it. You know what the character is taking, because I'm not like
Yeah,
that.
she's just going. She's not even saying this. Like
Anything.
क्या हाँ भाई अब मतलब
But you know
चलो
what?
तुमने
Yeah.
कुछ भी किया तुम मार खाओ.
कर लो,
Like
मतलब अब
that.
तो कुछ वो होना ही है. And plus, I was feeling at many times, you know, why isn't Najma reacting? You know, that kind of a thing. You know, that she should react. But when it approaches the climax, everything gets justified. You know.
No, absolutely.
Yeah.